Just look at this beauty. This right here is my pepper and onion puff puff. Soft, spicy, and absolutely delicious. Let me show you how I made this from scratch. Hello cooking vloggers, so welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you are new here, a very warm welcome to you. Please hit the subscribe button and do not forget to turn on the bell notification. So for this recipe, used flour, instant dry yeast, sugar, powdered milk flavor, vanilla flavor, pepper, and onion. I started by measuring 2 cups of flour into a sieve and sifted it nicely to get that smooth texture.
Hear the laughter, smell the spice. Every dish is a story, every moment feels nice. Gather round the table, everybody's home. In this kitchen family, you'll never be alone. Come and join the fun, come and taste the cheer.
Then I added 3 teaspoons of instant dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, 3 tablespoons of ground sugar. So for the sugar, you can decide to use more. This all depends on your preference. But always remember that whenever you're making use of yeast, sugar must be present.
From Nigeria to the world, flavor we adore. Cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, that's what we're for.
After that, I then added half a teaspoon of milk flavor. Milk flavor is totally optional, so you can decide to use spices like nutmeg or even cinnamon. Now I gave this a good whisk so everything mixes perfectly. Next, I made a small hole in the middle, poured in half a teaspoon of vanilla flavor, started adding warm water little by little. Now for this part, you want to be careful on the amount of water you add into your batter because you don't want our batter to be too watery. So what I do, I add a little water and mix. So just keep repeating this process until you get that final consistency.
That's what we're for. Cooking vlogs and lots more.
As you mix, watch how it goes from dry and crumbly to smooth and stretchy. When making your puff puff and you notice this, you rest assured that your yeast is going to activate well. Glossy and sticky it's getting. That's the perfect puff puff consistency. Not too thick, not too watery, just right. So at this point, I could already imagine how soft and fluffy this would turn out. Once I got the texture right, I covered it up and let it to proof for 40 minutes. Now this resting time is what gives your puff puff that bounce. The yeast needs to do its magic, so don't skip this step. And when the puff puff batter finally comes out, I'm going to let you know what I observed. So while that's resting, time to prep the star flavor combo: pepper and onion. See, I love using fresh pepper because it gives a natural heat. Not too much though, just that gentle kick that makes you want to take another bite. Then you say onion. Why I love onion in my pastries, my recipes, my everything, because it brings this sweet savory aroma that makes the whole kitchen smell heavenly. This dough right here is what transforms your puff puff from basic to legendary. You can argue with your keypad.
Moment feels nice. Gather round the table, everybody's home. In this kitchen family, you'll never be alone. Come and join the fun, come and taste the cheer. From Nigeria to the world, flavor we adore. Cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, that's what we're for.
40 minutes later, our batter has doubled in size. And one thing I noticed about this thing is, I've been hearing this, but I've actually not put it into practice. But this particular puff-puff recipe made me observe it. And what is this observation? Whenever you are making any recipe that involves yeast, and you're supposed to leave that thing for 40 minutes like I did, please check the temperature of your house before following that time. So I was not supposed to make use of 40 minutes for this because the temperature of my house was a bit warmer. I would have made use of 30 minutes at most. So guys, take note of this. If you have a cold temperature in your house, then you can do 40 minutes to 50 minutes or an hour. But if warm like mine, 25-30 minutes is okay. So already I folded the pepper and the onion into the batter, and I mix gently to avoid knocking out all that air. So we want our puff-puff to rise beautifully when frying. So after that, I lit up my gas, placed my pot on fire, and I poured in enough vegetable oil into my pot, enough for deep frying. Once the oil was hot, as you can see, I placed 2 bay leaves into the oil. You can use onion, you can use cinnamon stick. So after that, I scooped the butter in with my hand. So you can as well use a small ice cream scooper. And note, make sure your fire is on medium heat. My oil was already too hot here. You can see some parts are already getting brown even before the rest went in. So you don't want that for yours. Always make sure your oil is on medium to low heat. You can decide to regulate it as you fry. So when scooping your batter for your puff-puff, there's actually no special technique. Pack your batter in your hand and make a hole between your index finger and your thumb. Gently press it down and the batter is going to cut out on its own accord. So this is nothing hard. And take note, when frying your puff-puff, you may notice some are already looking like palm wine calabash. Do not panic. You are going to see how we're going to reshaping them at the end of this video.
It's home in this kitchen family. You'll never be alone. Come and join the fun. Come and taste the cheer. Cooking joy together. The love is always here. Smiles on the faces. Hearts open wide. This is where the flavors and the family collide. Chicken vlogs and lots more. Come inside the door. Taste the joy. Feel the love. Family at the core. From Nigeria to the world. Flavor we adore. Cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, that's what we're for. Hey.
So while frying, always turn your puff-puff from time to time so the colors can be even. Now, once golden brown, take them out and let them rest on paper towels or even a filter or a strainer. Allow the puff-puff to drain its excess oil.
From Nigeria to the world.
So once you have a palm wine calabash-like look puff-puff, just take out your kitchen scissors and trim out that unwanted part. We have been doing this offline. So I decided to show you guys how you can trim off the unwanted parts of your puff-puff. Especially if you are making this for people. You won't have to say it is spoiled. Just trim them out and sell your puff-puff or serve to your guests. They are going to be as neat as you want them to be.
Family at the core.
Now look at that, so fluffy, so golden, so inviting. So I couldn't resist. I had to drizzle some chocolate on mine because why not? Have you had pepper and onion puff-puff before? How did it taste? This is something you would love to try again. Let me know in the comment section below. Guys, one bite and I was gone, seriously. Spicy, sweet, milky and soft. Everything puff-puff should be and more, trust me. If you love Nigerian snack, you need to try this version. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know in the comments, would you love to try this with yours or you love to keep it classic? And thank you for watching till this time. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.
Cooking vlogs and lots more.